Welcome to the drawing tutorial in AVA360VR. In this tutorial we'll take you through the basic steps of using the drawing tool in our software. First of all, you will find the drawing tool on the left controller and you select Draw. Now you will see a drawing palette that is attached to your left controller, and here you see a range of different options that you can apply when you use the drawing tool. First of all, you can select different colors. You will see the selected one down here. So now it's pink. You will also be able to use the select tool, the deselect tool, or the pen. So if you are not drawing, like for instance now I'm not drawing on the canvas, it's because the select tool is now selected and not the drawing tool. So always make sure that you have selected the pen when you want to draw something. We can increase and adjust the smoothness and brush size to fit the needs of the current drawing that we want to make. So for instance, I want to just mark how to draw, and perhaps I would want to use a different color on top, just to indicate that this is what we're doing at the moment. But just to show you how you're using the select tool, you see now the select tool is selected, and you see that it's in this purple color, and now we can delete it. We can also deselect an object. So for instance, if I did like this, oh, did you see what I forgot? I forgot to change and select the drawing tool. So if I make something like this, and then I figured out that I only wanted, maybe I should delete them, but maybe I will only want to delete one of them. So I can deselect the one of the drawings again and then delete it. So it was only the purple one that was deleted here. Now in AVA360VR you might want to draw very closely to the canvas. Imagine that you have a 360 video with a lot of participants and you want to draw their silhouettes, or you want to draw and indicate what objects that they are working on. So we have implemented a canvas mode, and I will just activate that, which will allow you to draw very closely to the 360 canvas. So you see now I can zoom very closely into these letters, and I can start working on that by first of all I will adjust the brush and smoothness of the stroke, and then I can select a new color. And then with the canvas mode, the best thing is actually to stand right next to the canvas and then draw on top of it. So you're actually like having the feeling of drawing right onto the canvas. And the best thing about it is that it is now visible right in front of us. So you see the drawings that we are making here, they'll be automatically added to the 360 canvas, the main 360 scene. So maybe I also wanted to highlight 360 VR here. So I'll walk up to the canvas, you see I'm almost touching it, and then I will just make a new drawing to indicate that this is what we're looking at the moment. If we close the canvas, then you see that we have the drawings available right in front of us, and by using the canvas we are actually able to make really detailed drawings in AVA360VR. This was the basic functions of the drawing tool in AVA360VR. Remember that you can also animate your drawings, so you can make them move around and they make them appear at certain points in your video. This is very powerful, and we recommend that you watch the animation tutorial as a part of making drawings inside AVA360VR. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try out the drawing tool in the Lego demo project or in your own project, and good luck with creating drawings.